If you want to delete your Gmail account, then here is how you can do it step by step. Before deleting your Gmail account, it is crucial to back up any important emails and data as it will be permanently deleted. So now first, open the Google app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account you want to delete. Then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner or your initial. Then a drop down menu will appear. From there, you will have to tap on the Manage Your Google Account option available and you will be navigate to your Google account settings. Now here, from the following tab, tap on the Data and Privacy option available there. Now scroll down and there you'll get to see Delete Your Google Account option available. Simply tap on it. Then you might be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. Simply enter your Google password and tap on the next option available there. Once done so, you can see Gmail option available there, and right next to the Gmail you can see delete option available. Now click delete account to confirm, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.